Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TNV Academy. Today we are diving into an important topic in the world of data security and privacy. How ISO 27080 relates to ISO 27001 and ISO 27701. If you have heard about these ISO standards but aren't quite sure how they fit together, don't worry, I'll break it down in a simple and easy to understand way. By the end of this video, you will know what each standard does, how they work together, and why they matter for cloud security and data privacy. So let's get started. Understanding the three ISO standards. Before we connect them, let's quickly define what each standard covers. ISO 27001, the Foundation for Information Security Management Systems, that is ISMS. It provides a framework for managing all types of data security risks in organizations. ISO 27080, a privacy-focused extension of ISO 27001. It specifically protects personally identifiable information, that is PII, in the cloud and provides guidelines for cloud service providers. ISO 27701, an extension of ISO 27001 focused on privacy information management, that is PIMS. It helps organizations comply with privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA by establishing strong data privacy practices. Now let's see how they relate to each other. How ISO 27018 builds on ISO 27001. ISO 27001 is the core framework for managing information security risk. It applies to all kinds of organizations, including banks, hospitals, IT companies, and government agencies. ISO 27018 builds on ISO 27001 by focusing specifically on protecting personal data in cloud environments. While ISO 27001 covers general security best practices, ISO 27018 ensures that cloud providers handle personal data responsibly and transparently. Cloud providers that follow ISO 27018 are better equipped to handle sensitive data and comply with privacy laws. For example, a company that follows ISO 27001 secures all types of business data. But if they are a cloud provider handling customer personal data, they should also adopt ISO 27018 to ensure privacy protection. How ISO 27701 extends ISO 27001 for privacy compliance. ISO 27701 is designed to extend ISO 27001 with a Privacy Information Management System, that is PIMS. ISO 27001 protects all business data, but ISO 27701 adds privacy-specific controls to help organizations comply with privacy regulations like GDPR Europe, CCPA California, and LGPD Brazil. It helps organizations manage both security risk and privacy risk, something that's becoming increasingly important with new privacy laws worldwide. For example, a company using ISO 27001 to protect financial records may adopt ISO 27701 to ensure customer personal data is processed lawfully under GDPR. How ISO 27018 and ISO 27701 work together. ISO 27018 and ISO 27701 are both privacy-focused extensions of ISO 27001, but they have different scopes. ISO 27018 applies only to cloud service providers that handle personal data in the cloud. It ensures secure processing and storage of PII. ISO 27701 applies to all organizations, not just cloud providers, and helps them manage privacy risk and comply with regulations like GDPR. However, many cloud service providers use both standards because they handle both cloud security ISO 27018 and privacy compliance ISO 27701. Understanding how ISO 27001, ISO 27018 and ISO 27701 work together is key to strengthening both security and privacy in today's digital world. If your business or cloud provider follows these standards, you can be confident that personal data is well protected and privacy regulations are met. What do you think about these ISO standards? Do you see them as essential for modern businesses? Let's discuss in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on cybersecurity and privacy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.